Hey, English learners, welcome back to the SoftSpeak English Podcast, your cozy place to learn easy English through real-life conversations.
And I'm Jake.
And I'm Anna.
Today we are talking about something a little scary for most of us.
Only a little scary?
Nah, I think it's a beautiful nightmare.
Imagine this. You wake up, you reach for your phone, and the Wi-Fi symbol is gone.
No messages, no scrolling, no maps, no music.
One full day without the internet.
When you hear that, what happens in your body?
Do you feel calm or do you want to scream, "No, please, anything but that"?
Honestly, my thumb starts crying just thinking about it.
For many of us, the internet isn't just a tool.
It's our alarm, news, escape, basically everything.
We tell ourselves, "I'll just check one thing."
And suddenly, 50 minutes disappear.
So today we ask, what really happens if you live one whole day without the internet?
Do you feel lost or more alive?
Would you start talking to strangers in the elevator?
Because you have nothing else to look at?
We'll walk through that day with you. The weird moments, quiet moments, and, "Oh no, I need my phone" moments.
Let's start with morning, the most dangerous moment.
Yes, the automatic phone grab.
My eyes open and my hand moves before my brain wakes up.
Notifications addiction?
Completely. I exaggerate. I say I check my phone 1,000 times before breakfast.
Exaggerate means making something sound bigger to show feeling.
But on a no internet day, I grab my phone.
And
Nothing. Just a dead rectangle.
your brain said, "Excuse me, where is our screen?"
Exactly. I had to look at a real clock on the wall. I felt like I lived in 1999. What about you?
The silence felt intense.
Intense means strong and heavy.
Normally, I scroll while water boils, but that day I just watched the water.
That sounds uncomfortable.
Very. I felt vulnerable, open, and emotionally exposed.
Because nothing distracted your thoughts.
Yes, without a screen, my mind had space, and space felt scary but honest.
Leaving home without internet feels like leaving without shoes.
I kept touching my empty pocket.
My brain felt hesitant, wanting to move but unsure.
The elevator was hardest.
No phone shield?
I looked at my neighbor and smiled.
And
They smiled back. Small but real.
sometimes our habits get in our own way, meaning we block ourselves.
Travel without maps?
Painful, but interesting.
Instead of fighting traffic, you accept it.
Make the most of it. Use a bad situation well.
I noticed a kid playing with a stone and an old man reading a newspaper.
The real world is bigger than our screen rectangle.
People think they can't work without internet.
But maybe it creates deep work.
You stick with one task.
At first, you feel frazzled, stressed, and messy.
Then your brain calms.
No autopilot, you actually think.
You figure out problems yourself, meaning solve by thinking.
3 p.m., usually phone energy time.
Without it, you feel depleted, zero battery human.
So instead of scrolling,
You walk.
funny contradiction. Internet connects us, but makes us lonely.
Without it, you feel grounded, simple and real.
Evening is magic, or panic.
4 people, 1 room, 4 screens.
But not today.
You sit together, tea, no phones.
You pour your heart out, share real feelings.
One honest talk greater than 100 messages.
You feel nostalgia, warm past memories.
You realize the phone was a safety blanket.
And your mind lived half inside a screen.
We're not saying internet is bad,
It helps learning, working, connecting.
but maybe scale back, make it smaller.
One evening, airplane mode.
No phone at breakfast rule.
Buy back your time, reduce stress.
Don't beat yourself up. Don't be too hard on yourself.
Be spontaneous, act in the moment.
Walk, look at sky, listen to birds.
The ball is in your court. Your turn to act.
Anna, let's review 10 words quickly.
Freak out, suddenly panic.
Intense, very strong.
Linger, stay longer.
Out of the blue, Unexpected.
Figure out, understand.
Relentless, never stops.
Grounded, calm, and real.
Frazzled, stressed and tired.
Make the most of it. Use well.
Snap out of it. Stop negative mood. If you enjoyed learning English this way, subscribe and like.
Tell us, can you survive 24 hours without internet?
Just yes or no is fine.
Or one honest sentence.
We're proud of you for listening till the end.
This is Jake.
This is Anna.
See you next time.
See you next time.